Hello everyone, my name is Vaisakh KG and I have graduated my Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2016, and ever since I have been searching for my jobs, and I found Evision Technoserve. And while I joined Evision Technoserve for a 45 days internship, on-job training, and they have provided me CCNA, ITIL, then basic networking, basic hardware troubleshooting, and so. And I have given my interview in WNS Global Solutions, and I have got in as a desktop engineer. Thanks to all Evision Technoserve for my job. Thank you.